So friends, today I'm going to download and show you guys how to download Adobe Flash Player. For that you need to log into your internet and then start downloading your Adobe Flash Player. So let's start directly through the video. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel down below and then press the bell notification to get daily updates in my channel. So let's start directly through the video. So friends, firstly you go to your Google and then type in for Adobe Flash Player. So I'm gonna search directly Adobe Flash Player. So as you see, I'm gonna click on Adobe Flash Player and then I'm gonna download this one from filehippo.com. I will leave the link in the description below, guys, so don't worry. So as you see, I click on here and then click on download. Okay, wait, hold on. So as you see this link, I will leave the link in the description for you guys. So I'm going to click on no thanks. So and then your download will be start. So friends, as you see, the download has been already started. So I'm going to click on show all and then open the downloads folder from here. So after that, as you see, the Flash Player has been installed already, but I need to click on install. So friends, as you see, there is a running box in here. We need to click on yes. So after I click on yes, let's minimize the window. So as you see, Adobe Download Manager installation will begin shortly. So friends, this is how you install Adobe Flash Player in 2021. So friends, if you are new to my channel, I'm saying it again, please make sure you subscribe to my channel down below and then press the bell notification to get daily updates from my channel. Thank you.